As health officials nationwide continue to work towards solutions to slow the spread of COVID-19, experts at Harvard University, along with other COVID-19 data sites, launched an interactive map that shows which states and counties are most at risk. ABC4's Haley Hendricks digs into Utah's data.
The path to zero COVID-19 cases is what experts are working to achieve. And now there's an online interactive map that you can use to see how your county and state are doing compared to the rest of the nation. A color-coded map of the United States shows the risk level of COVID-19 across the country. And here in Utah, 11 of our 29 counties face accelerated spread of the respiratory virus. Those are the counties in orange. That's according to globalepidemics.org. Living in an orange county means there's 10 to 24 new cases every day per 100,000 people, and experts with Global Epidemics recommend those counties have stay-at-home orders or rigorous test and tracing efforts. As case counts continue to rise, we spoke to Annie George, an infectious disease epidemiologist at the Salt Lake County Health Department, to learn what county health officials are doing to continue to limit the spread.
I think the thing that people don't realize is that if you look at the explanations of how to do that, it takes a sustained response. So I think a lot of people thought it was, we're just going to chop the top off the curve and then we're just going to go on our merry way. And it doesn't work like that. It takes everybody working together.
Now 11 Utah counties are in yellow, where data suggests there is community spread, and 7 counties are in green, and Global Epidemics reports those areas are on track for containment. This site also allows you to take a look at how Utah compares to the rest of the nation. The Beehive State is one of 13 in the U.S. that faces an acceleration of the spread of COVID-19. Reporting in Salt Lake County, Haley Hendricks, ABC4 News.